Good morning, everyone. It's time to do a Boxycharm unboxing. It feels like I just did one of these. I don't know if I opened it late last month or what, but it feels like this one's early. But you know what? It is December and time flies. So let's see what I got. Oh, and it says "'Tis the season" or "See Sun." That's funny. The cute little flamingo. That is awesome. So this again tells me everything that I got, and this is a subscription box. So if you guys aren't familiar with this, it is a monthly subscription box that I buy annually, and I think it comes out to about $20 a month, but you get 5 full-size products. And you may be able to go to Boxycharm and help choose your products, but I don't ever do that, so I don't know. But let's see, the first thing I got is an activated charcoal mask, Detox. And it says, apply a generous amount to clean, damp skin, massage into skin using a circular motion, leave for 10 or 15 minutes, and then gently rinse and pat dry. So that's kind of nice. And let's see. So this is Cosmetics is the brand. This manufacturer suggested retail price is $30. Detoxify your pores from daily grime with Cosmetics activated charcoal mask. And it says a word that I'm not sure, diatomaceous earth. Visibly improves the brightness of your skin, while the activated charcoal and kaolin clay draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. So that's worth a try. I do love to mask. I will say I have a ton of masks right now, but I don't know. I will keep it in my stash and I will use it when I get to it. Ooh, this looks pretty. Tartiest Shimmering Lip Paint by Tarte. And it's Tartiest Shimmering Lip Paint in the color Insta Famous, which sounds fabulous. And let's see what it says about this. Glitter lip paint. This sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter. Oh my goodness. And delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish. The reflective glitter gloss can stand alone or as a lip topper, giving your lips a fuller look. The sunflower seed wax and mineral pigment coat soothe and soften the lips. And this manufacturer retail price is $20. Which seems a bit much for a lip gloss. It does offer a lot of glitter. Oh my, it's like holographic. I think I'm going to put some on. You know what? I think I'll do that in a little bit. I'll put some on after. I'll turn the camera so you guys can see. This is Heatherberry lip pencil by Bodyography. So this is a lip pencil. And it's nice. I like that. And they even look good together. So let's see, what does this say? Bodyography lip liner. This vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill, and define the lips. $12. And then I have this Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn blush and highlighter palette. And this says, this Boxycharm exclusive launch contains 3 buttery shades that blend seamlessly into the skin for a natural glowing finish. The Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn palette offers 2 blushes and 1 highlighter and is specially formulated to flatter all skin types. And it retails for $26. So I'm assuming this is the highlight, and these are the 2 blushes, Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and City Lights. Very pretty. And then lastly, oh my goodness, this says Protégé. And look at the outlines of faces. What is this? Oh, wow, this is pretty. I sometimes get scared because Boxycharm is a little bit out there sometimes with some crazy colors, but these are pretty. And so this says, Suva, S-U-V-A, Beauty's new Protégé palette is a versatile, warm, and cool palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. So these are all shadows, and those 2 are the highlighters, Era and Theory. The shadows are conscious, balance, tact, poetic, structure, and aesthetic. So I don't know that I would wear all of those. I think I would wear this one and this one maybe. And then I might try those. So I might keep this one and see what I think. The ones that I don't keep, I always give to my daughter, or she's my first victim of choice. But yeah, it's very pretty. I don't know why I'm putting it back in there. I don't need to do that. So that's that. Let me get, okay, I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I am going to try this. So I already have lipstick on. That's kind of why I didn't want to just put this on and take a picture, because you guys wouldn't have the before. So here's the before. Let's put some of this on. It has a neat scent. I can't really tell much of a difference. Oh, maybe there, now I can. Glitter and glam, man. Glitter and glam. My two favorite colors. All right, and this is a fun name, but I forget what it is already. Insta famous. That's hilarious. So I can tell this sparkle, and I'm kind of liking sparkle right now, so kind of neat. I wonder if my daughter's gonna want it though. And I wonder if I'll give it to her if she does. More than likely. All right. Well, thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.